Hello. It's been a while, but it's time to check on the red wigglers and European night crawlers. I don't know what's in this bin, so each time I open the bin up, I don't know what to expect. I'm in suspense just like you are, but I know fruit flies have been kind of crazy, so let's take a peek and see what's going on in the worm bins. Fruit flies are trying to get in. A lot of rich castings. I have fed these guys some watermelon a few weeks ago, but man, these castings are ready to be harvested. So that's on my definitely to-do list. And on this side, I did not break anything down. It's ripped it up. It's not really shredded down as much as I usually do it, but there's a lot of cardboard scraps in here. It's still moist. But I'm gonna have to feed these guys food scraps because they are due. But there is no more watermelon in here, and they were given a lot. So let's take time out for a second and go get these guys some food real quick. So let's see, we're gonna give these guys a couple banana peels. Throw a pepper in there. Let's see, give them cucumber. Now here's the question that I gotta ask you guys. A lot of people are asking about putting poop into their compost bin. You know, I'm like this. If it's outside, put whatever you want in it, but inside, you don't want to put any poop in here. That's just me. I'm like, I think it's disgusting because what you're putting into your castings now is what you're going to be putting into your food later. So I don't know why people keep asking questions on certain pages about dog poop, you know, chicken manure, and all that stuff. And my thing is, if you have it outside, it's good to go, but I would not put that in any of my bins if I have an indoor worm bin, which I do. So what I'm going to do is cover these guys up. But first, let me spread some more little water for this cardboard. A little spritzery on it, spritzeroo. And now it's time to go look at the Euros. All right, looks like a lot of fruit flies are hovering around in this bin. Yeah, this fruit flies galore, but I am not going to do anything crazy. I am just going to spritz this down with water, add more paper on top. Yeah, I kind of thought fruit flies would be in this one. I don't know why. They're pretty bad downstairs with the moisture and certain food scraps. But I'm going to fix that problem as we speak. I'm just dump this in there. I'm going to put a lot of newspaper on top of this so they will not be able to get back in here. So hold on for 1 second. Alright, what I'm going to do is just put a lot of newspaper on because once they get in here, if they do again, they're not going to survive because they will be covered up with this newspaper. So yeah, we will, like I said, get them really covered up with newspaper. Let the Euros keep devouring the food scraps as they do. So let me put a good nice covering of my newspaper once again on top of this because they will no longer be inside this bin. So I just want to say, guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the box below. You guys have a great day.